Voice control commands. On this tab, you can see a table of your voice commands. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort or filter anything in this table. In the table you can see name, the name of the command, command, the text string that triggers the command, location, shows where the command string should appear in the message, enabled, indicates whether the command is enabled and can be triggered, stop after, displays the state of the corresponding toggle in the command. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog to add a new command. When adding a new command, you need to give it a name, define the trigger string. It can be a single word or multiple words. Set the location. This is an important field. Streamer.Bot has two types of voice commands, command and dictation. If location is set to exact, you will get a command. Otherwise, it will be a dictation. If location is set to exact, the command will trigger only when the exact text is spoken, with pause before and after it. It will not trigger if the text appears within a sentence. If location is set to start, the triggered text must appear at the beginning of a sentence, preceded by a pause. If location is set to anywhere, the triggered text can appear anywhere within a sentence. For start and anywhere, there is an additional option, stop after. If enabled, Streamer.Bot will stop listening for any of your triggered text in the current sentence once it has detected one. It will resume listening when you start a new sentence. Override global. Enabling this checkbox unlocks the confidence threshold input. Here you can set a value representing how confident the engine must be in recognizing your speech correctly before triggering the command. If this field is used, it will override the global setting from the Voice Control Settings tab only for this specific command. If you right-click on any single command, you will see the following options. Add. Open the Add Command dialog. Edit. Open the Edit dialog for the selected command. Delete. Prompts you to confirm the deletion of the selected command. Keyboard shortcut Delete. If any triggers are using this command, they will stop working. Beware, when you create a command, it is assigned a unique internal ID. If you add back a command, even with the same settings, triggers will not revert to it automatically, because they were connected to the old internal ID, not the name or the command you see in this table. Move, a submenu that allows you to change the order of commands in the table. Options include move to top, move to bottom, move up one place, move down one place. Streamer.Bot scans recognized text and searches for trigger text in the same order as the commands appear in this table. The order of events produced by each command will follow the order in the table. If a command has stop after enabled, its behavior will depend on its position in the list. Examples will be shown in a dedicated video. Enabled toggles the enable state of the selected command. If it is a dictation, you will have an additional option. Stop after. Checkbox to enable or disable the stop after option. Copy command ID. Copy the internal ID of the selected command to the clipboard. Voice control settings. On this tab, you can enable and configure the ability to control Streamer.Bot using voice commands. Under the hood, Streamer.Bot uses the Microsoft Speech Recognition engine for this functionality. On the right, you have two buttons responsible for starting and stopping the listening service. After Start Listen sets whether Streamer.Bot should start listening after it is launched. Locale combo box lets you choose which language it should try to recognize. This list is populated from your system language settings with all supported languages. Confidence threshold sets how confident the engine should be to produce an event. Confidence values can be seen on the Log tab. Log speech-to-text dictation checkbox tells Streamer.Bot to also create a similar log like in the Log tab, but in the main Streamer.Bot log file under verbose log level. Audio input device drop-down menu contains all devices that can be used for voice control. The refresh button allows you to reflect changes in this menu. Voice control log. On this tab, you can see a log of what recognition engine is thinking you are saying and how confident it is. Each line of log contains 3 parts. Type. It can be spoken dictation or spoken command. If you have set up some commands and the engine detects one, Streamer.Bot will mark it as a spoken command. For other speech, it will be marked as dictation. Confidence. This indicates how confident the engine is in what it recognized. These confidence values can be used in the confidence threshold input, allowing you to filter out inaccurate results. To improve recognition accuracy, you can refer to the documentation. Just go to the Streamer.Bot documentation site, click Get Started, navigate to the Voice Control section, and under Additional Resources, you will find links to articles on how to make the engine understand you better. Speech text. Here you can see what the engine believes it was able to recognize.